What's up, patrons and channel members? Thank you so much for your support. I'm going to try my best to get you some more behind the scenes content to make your support of me more valuable, and hopefully you get you some peek behind the scenes stuff. I'm going to be revamping the patron tiers to make them better and offer you more as well. YouTube has really kind of tied my hands there on what I can do. But I'm going to show you behind the scenes today. I got in this box from Taylor Tools, taytools.com. He sent me some stuff to help hopefully show on the channel. I know a couple of things that are in here. I don't know everything. And Mr. Mike is so generous to the channel. You could do me a huge favor by checking him out, taytools.com. Come closer, that way you can see when I see. He's wrapped it well. I don't know what that is. What is it? What is it? What is it? Where's my knife? Oh, it's a machinist square. Check that out. Oh my goodness. You know I'm a sucker for small squares. This behind the scenes is going to be quite unedited, rough and raw. So I apologize for any delays and uhs and ahs. Oh man. Oh, it's a double square. It's not a machinist. Check it. Super cool. Man, I like that. That's cool. Set that to the side. What's next? This is in a nice case. Whatever this is. Can you still see? Oh boy. I think this was supposed to go up there. This is going to look like a combination square, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, combination square with. It's nicely packaged. I like the case that it comes in. Oh yeah, Benchmark Tools. They make some good stuff, y'all. Benchmark does. Especially at the price you're getting this stuff for. It's a nice little combo square. I like the case, I really do. I think that's just a nice touch. And it'll fit in there with the blade on it, so cool. No double square maybe? Maybe this is a machinist square? Let's find out. Benchmark, I'm impressed. This is the first Benchmark tools that I've had in the shop, and I'm impressed with the blade quality. That's a nice quality blade. It's got a scale on this side. Looks like 30 up there, probably 64th yep, down here. Then on this side, 8ths and 16ths. So that's extremely handy. I've never had a double square. I'm liking the double square. All right, and this, I'll scratch these up. Looks like some Tay Tools stainless steel rules, so that is excellent. I'm a fan of stainless steel. If you like this type content, this behind the scenes of me unboxing this stuff I'm getting in, whether I buy it or whether it's sent to me from awesome people like Mr. Mike Taylor, let me know in the comments so I'll know that you like this and we'll keep posting them. Because it really doesn't, it's not a lot of effort on my part as far as just videoing it and posting it, and maybe it'll bring you some value and you kind of get to see the tool before I get to basically use it and put it through its paces for the regular videos. This plastic is something else though. Look at all of them. Oh my goodness. These are all Benchmark as well. I like the black. I like the black colored one. Because it's, I'll show it to you up close. Just a second. Give me just a second. Let me unwrap this. So it's a blade too, or a rule. And all of these are in plastic. I won't go through the trouble of unwrapping all of these in front of you, but I will get the ones that, this is a 24-inch stainless steel. I'll put a link to taytools.com in the description of the YouTube video if you want to check that out, and you can go check these Benchmark rules out for yourself if you want to check them out early. These all should be fairly low cost because that's what we discussed was lower cost tools. Check that. I mean, it's a nice rule. We got it's tempered steel. It's supposed to have a cover coating that keeps it from rusting, he told me. And it's just a nice feeling. You got 16th and 8th and then 32nds and 64th, so you can get as precise as you want to get on this little dude. It is really nice. It's about an 1/8 inch thick, so it's not going to bend and break on you. I like this black and white. This is my favorite color combo because it's so easy to read. Try to get it to focus for you. That is, man, it's so a nice contrast. My eyes are getting bad, y'all, as the older I get, and these are really, really nice. My only question or concern would be how accurate are they? We'll throw them up against the woodpeckers. You know, I'm a fan of woodpeckers. And, oh yeah, precise. Awesome. I guarantee you this one will be too. If I can line it up right. Yep, dead on right there. Those are really, really, really cool tools. Huge thank you to Mike for all of this, and you'll be seeing these in a future video, probably one of the 5 tools under 30 videos. Very popular series. Some of this stuff will be in that video, so if you want to get early access, I'll drop links to the description to his website, and then from there you can search and find each individual product. On the 30 video, look at me, on the tools under 30 video, I will have individual links, but for this one, just a link to Take Tools, you can go check him out. One last thing, he sent a pricing sheet for me. Everything is under $30 by a long way, except the 24-inch blade, which was $40. Everything else is $21.99, $4.99, and less. And then also, well, the combo square, the big combo square here is $34.99. Still not a bad price. And then the 2 baby squares are $24.99 each. So, well, one's $24.99, one's $23.74. So these are extremely good value, especially for a small a square to have in the shop. I like these. I like the small squares because they're so convenient. You just grab one, you can leave them laying on the bench, and they're just super handy to have.